It's not the islands fair that are calling to me, or the balmy air, or the tropical sea, but it's a little brown gal in a little grass skirt, in a little grass shack in Hawaii. It isn't Waikiki or Kamehameha's Pali, or the Beach Boys Free with their Ho'omali Mali, but it's a little brown gal in a little grass skirt, in a little grass shack in Hawaii. Through that island wonderland, she's broken all the Kane's hearts. It's not hard to understand how that Wahine is a gal apart. I'll be leaving soon, but the thrill that I enjoy is not the island moon or the fish and the poi, but it's a little brown gal in a little grass skirt, in a little grass shack in Hawaii. I want to go back to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii. I want to be with all the Kanes and Wahines that I used to know. I can hear the old guitars playing on the beach at Honau now. I can hear the Hawaiians saying, "E como mai no kauai kahale vela kahau." It won't be long until my ship will be sailing back to Kona. It's a grand old place that's always fair to see. I'm just a little Hawaiian and a homesick island boy. I wanna go back to my fish and poi. I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii, where the humu humu nuku nuku apua'a go swimming by, where the humu humu nuku nuku apua'a go swimming by, where the humu humu nuku nuku apua'a go swimming by.